Good morning guys, we just had our first official night here back in the Troopy. We decided to stay at a beautiful little campsite called Honeymoon Pools. I think it's in the Wellington State Forest, just to start our little southwest adventure.
Always wanted to come here.
Yes.
And we've never been. We're having bacon and eggs. We were just discussing before, we actually never had bacon and eggs on our last lap of Australia. That's a bit crazy, isn't it? If someone can find a video...
It wasn't too crazy to me, but when we mentioned it to someone else, it was insanity.
Yeah, my cousin couldn't believe it. But if you can find a video on our channel where we cook bacon and eggs, I will stand wrong. So this place is known for cold water.
Yeah.
It has freezing water. It's just down there. What are the odds, Megan?
What, that I jump in?
Yeah.
1 in 30.
Right, you ready?
Yeah. Who's going to
1,
count? No, you go
2,
3, 2, 1.
3, 2,
1. 22.
My God. Trying to get the beautiful B-roll shot for you.
That wasn't even close either.
And Megan's gone and ruined my brand new, nice and sealed, well I guess it's sealed, piece of wood. Look at it, it's going all the way down there. Classic. What do you got to say for yourself, mate? I think you're going in that cold water regardless. I'll be throwing you in there. Good afternoon, everybody. We have been at one of our favourite caravan parks in Busselton. It's called Four Seasons Caravan Park, and we've been working there all day, and it is now dinner time, and I've cooked up a storm. Megan doesn't know what it is. Little bit of a story as well about where we're staying. It's the first, oh hello.
Hi.
It's the first ever place. Does that make sense? First ever place?
First ever caravan park. Like when we went on our first proper camping trip, that's the first place we ever stayed.
Yeah, but we didn't even have a four-wheel drive. We had a Subaru. Oh, it was an all-wheel drive, I guess, and a King's Swag. And it was the best time of our lives.
Yeah,
we loved it.
We still really love it, not only for the nostalgia, but it's like cute little bush camping, so it doesn't even feel like you're at a caravan park. And it was only $25 for the night as well, so.
So good. I've cooked up a storm here. We've got eggs, bacon, feta cheese, lettuce. Megan doesn't know what's going on in these bowls.
So is it like a Caesar salad?
I haven't showed her yet. Pretty much, with no chicken.
Oh, nice.
There you go.
Lovely.
We're at the Busselton Jetty, guys. How long is it?
1.8
It's massive.
kilometres. Does that
huge.
sound right?
We've been here a few times, but we've never actually enjoyed.
Never walked it either.
We never walked it, and we've never enjoyed a dinner on the beach here. So that's what we're doing tonight.
Little date night. How
Date
cute.
night. How good's Megan's dress as well, guys?
That's the second vlog you said it. Yes, I got new clothes for the first
looks
time
good.
in 10 years.
We never get new clothes. I don't know if you can tell. I wear one particular shirt all the time, and I don't want to throw it out because it's just so comfy.
Let's take bets on how long this will stay white though.
Not
I
long.
give it 3 weeks max.
When we get up north, it'll be red. Megan, what seems to be the problem here?
Now I've got it. We've just been struggling trying to get that out for like 5 minutes.
I think I've put, look what I've done. I've put massive strips of Velcro.
Heavy duty Velcro. It doesn't even need Velcro.
No, not really.
Oh well.
Loving this so far.
It's so good.
Yep. All right, let's go to the beach, eh?
Let's go. Should we take a rug?
Nah, let's just get sandy. How good, mate. Bit of garlic sauce.
Oil.
Oh, oil.
So go easy on it.
Oh, yeah. Do you want some?
Yes, please.
Look at this place, guys. All to ourselves.
We really do need to do more of this sort of thing, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
Not just sit in the back of the Troopy all the time.
Hey, look at Megan's dress, guys.
You said that already.
She never wears dresses like this, and I keep looking at it.
Yeah, you said it looked like a wedding
It
dress.
seems a bit odd, but it's nice.
Thank you.
It's an odd nice.
Time has stopped, nothing's changed. We're the same, and we skip the small talk. 'Cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else.
Alright, we just had a spectacular sunset. Good start to the southwest journey. Keep tuned for tomorrow morning because we, or Megan and I, Megan more, won a competition and we get to go to some accommodation down south, and
It's very fancy.
it's very fancy, and we cannot wait.
But we've actually got a really big day planned for tomorrow
Yep.
as well. We're going to explore pretty much all of Yallingup tomorrow as well.
Yeah,
So I'm excited.
We don't normally do this, but we're packing it all in tonight. We're packing it in, so we'll see you in the morning.
Good morning. We are on our... You're right. Good morning. We're on our way to a beach this morning, which surprisingly we've never been to before.
We've never been to a beach.
No, I mean we've never been to this particular one, and it's quite famous for the area. So it's called the Aquarium.
It is.
You've probably heard of it. Oh, I left my goggles in the car
Oh well.
because I think
Damn.
there's fish. But
It
Anyway.
feels like we're back officially on the trip. It just,
yeah, I feel like it's going to take us a few days to get back into the swing of things because we were very comfy in bed this morning. Oh, geez, now I'm slipping. We were very comfy in bed this morning and did not want to leave.
the
and
Troopy feels like home.
It really does. It's crazy.
It feels like home. But yeah, we checked out. We checked out at 10 o'clock
Right
on the
at
dot.
the
We
cut-off
slept in.
time. But yeah, we're
getting into
still going to try and get everything done that we'd planned to do today. So we'll see you when hopefully we find this beach.
You ready, Megan?
No.
I'm gonna give you a countdown. 3, 2, 1, go! It's good?
It's nice.
Hey, you're recording me, recording you.
Inception.
What do you got for me, mate?
I have an apple and this
Oh, so
that I
generous.
found at the bottom of the fridge.
Thank you very much. How's the views at that place?
That was so nice. That
They-
was such a nice beach. And I don't
Insane.
know what it is, but the air feels different down here.
The water's so clear, the air is fresh. We're living the dream, baby.
And it wasn't too cold. I was
No.
expecting it to be freezing.
So next, we're going to a place that we've driven past so many times, but we've never stopped.
No.
Megan every time goes, oh, we got to go there, but we've never stopped. So
It's a little tea house
little,
that has lavender stuff.
and I was like, all
I
right.
think it's called the Lavender Tea House, but
I was like, let's find a reason to go there. So I looked on their Facebook, and they sell lavender ice cream. So let's go and get some. I think we're here. Definitely in the right spot.
this is how you do tea, right?
I think so. Look at the scone, mate.
That's the biggest scone I've ever seen.
It's bigger than you. And of course, we've got our lavender ice cream, guys. Time to have a tea and scone meeting, eh?
We've had scones before, but never tea.
No.
We should do this more often. Look how cute.
Very fancy. Right, moment of truth. The lavender ice cream.
It looks nice. Texture.
Yeah.
Is it good?
It's so... I can't even
Flowery.
explain it. Can't explain it. It's fine.
Man, that was so good.
That ice cream was awesome. And the scone is number 1 in Australia.
Number 1. Well, we've only got 4 on our list, so we're going to keep our list going. But that means that now we're going to have to go to tea houses all around Australia because it's not really fair, because the other ones were station scones and now we've got a proper tea house scone in there.
That's crazy.
So I guess we're going to tea houses now.
We're so happy we went there. We wouldn't normally go into a place like that, but we did, and it was good.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
We need to do more stuff like that.
We've made the decision to not have a fun pack today.
Well, we've had a bit of fun.
We've had fun.
Nah, the wind's picked up quite a bit, and
and we slept in too much this morning. We're just loving it. So that's enough adventuring for today.
We're not quite.
Well, we're still on the adventure, guys. We're going to our accommodation. Megan won what'd you win? A competition
on Instagram.
I took the photo.
Just for tagging Australia's southwest in a photo. So
they really like our photo.
Do the cringe things on Instagram. Tag your mates in photos. Tag people in photos, because you never know what you might win.
Because we just won 2 nights at Bunker Bay. What's it called? Pullman
Resort.
And I was looking it up, and Pullman is all around the world.
Yeah.
It's like all around the world.
Like a chain, yeah.
And then I was looking at the Instagram photos, and it's a little bit fancy. So we're coming in hot with the Troopy, mate. Let's go.
So we just rocked up to the accommodation, and
I left the keys in the car. We've locked the car. So now I need to pop the tent in the car park and jump in and look like I'm stealing.
Quite possibly the most bogan looking thing you can do at a place like this.
Oh man, so embarrassing.
Oh god. Oh, and also we're just sharing on like how people can steal our car right now as well.
Yeah. So if you want to steal the Troopy, come steal it. That's how you steal the Troopy, guys. Far out. What a disaster.
Did you unlock the front door?
No, your jumping is done.
Oh, okay.
How embarrassing.
At least we're parked away from the reception.
Yeah. How did it happen at that fancy bit at the front?
Oh my god, I'd tell you to... Oh wait, I was going to say I'd tell you to just drive away, but we wouldn't be able to.
Right guys, we're at our accommodation.
Oh, this is it. I was going to say this.
Megan hasn't got her glasses on, so she can't see anything. But let me say, this
is the fanciest place we've been in years.
This is fancy.
We felt very self-conscious with the way that we're dressed in our little shopping bag luggage.
I don't care, mate. This is wicked.
You did too.
Yeah, I cared a little bit. Oh, here we go. Dude, this is luxury, mate. We've got a dining table. We have not had a dining table for years. Because we've been...
It's actually been like 3 years.
Because we've been living in granny flats and troopies and everything.
Yeah, the granny flat, we only had a bed and a kitchen.
Look at the kitchen.
Ooh!
50 times bigger than the troopy kitchen.
Oh, pod machine.
Beautiful.
Oh my gosh, with a milk froth. Is that what this is?
Yeah. We were going to have a coffee machine in the troopy, but we couldn't find a place to put it.
Yeah, I know. I really thought it was going to be small enough to take, but it still wouldn't fit, unfortunately.
We've got a nice alfresco area out there.
Oh, here we go. Here's my bedroom.
No, we're going to have to scissors, paper, rock that, mate.
You can have the little one.
We've got a king bed. Oh, there's a bath.
I wonder what the...
We've got a bath, Megan.
What's the view like out here? This
is my bathroom, mate. What do we got?
It's just... sticks.
We got a view with sticks. How good is this, guys? This is magnificent.
So luxy.
We're going to spend the rest of the day here.
No, we're not.
A bit of the day. I really want to spend the rest of the day here.
A couple of hours, and then for sunset we got a really nice spot lined up. It's one of my favourites.
We're gonna
in the whole southwest.
We're going to go look at a rock.
Yes.
And it is
But
incredible.
last time we went, you were like, it's just a rock. But then when you watch the sun go down at this place, it's amazing.
But it's like something, you look at it and you just keep looking at it because it's so big. So
It's not even that big.
it's pretty big.
This is the most perfect sunset spot ever. What do
It
you
would be
reckon?
better if I didn't have a sore tummy. Something's given me the biggest stomach cramps and I do not know what
We
it
were
is.
waddling down here and it's like, oh.
My stomach's hurting. But yes, this is the rock, guys, and
It
like
is
I
big.
said, it's massive.
I thought it wasn't that big, but yeah, it's a big rock.
It never gets old. You could just stand here and just watch it for ages.
I don't know what it is. I think it's maybe the fact that the sun sets directly behind the rock.
Dunno.
So you just get
It
all
do-
these colours for ages.
The only thing that you can say about it is just there. You can't explain it, but it's pretty magnificent.
And apparently it's called Sugarloaf Rock because it looks like a sugar loaf, which is like a kind of cake or something.
It's honestly stunning.
Yeah.
And look at Megan's dress, guys. Isn't she beautiful today?
Enough with the dresses. Oh my god. Well, that was a nice little reminder that things do not go to plan with
No.
van life. So,
They do not.
welcome back to van life.
I am. We're going to need a beat here, but I am.
My heart is racing.
This does not look like the right way.
Yeah.